Facebook Ads is a platform provided by Facebook that allows businesses, organizations, and individuals to create and run advertisements on Facebook and its affiliated platforms such as Instagram and Messenger. These ads can be targeted to specific demographics, interests, behaviors, and locations, making them highly customizable and effective for reaching a desired audience.
Advanced targeting options. Facebook Ads provides a wide range of targeting options beyond basic demographics, including interests, behaviors, job titles, life events, and more. This granular targeting allows advertisers to tailor their ads to specific audience segments, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversion.
Budget control and optimization. Advertisers have control over their ad budgets, allowing them to set daily or lifetime budgets based on their advertising goals and financial constraints. Facebook's ad delivery system optimizes ad delivery to maximize results within the specified budget, leveraging algorithms to target users most likely to take the desired action.
Ad placement flexibility. In addition to appearing in users' news feeds, Facebook ads can be displayed in various other locations across Facebook's network, such as in the right-hand column, within Messenger, on Instagram, in Stories, and within the Audience Network, third-party apps and websites that partner with Facebook for advertising.
Ad creative tools. Facebook Ads offers tools and features to create visually appealing ad creatives, including templates, image editing, and video creation tools. Advertisers can experiment with different ad formats, messaging, and visuals to see what resonates best with their target audience. Audience insights. Facebook provides insights and analytics tools that allow advertisers to gain a deeper understanding of their audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors. This data can inform ad targeting and strategy adjustments to improve campaign performance over time. Remarketing and custom audiences. Advertisers can create custom audiences based on website visitors, email subscribers, app users, or engagement with their Facebook page or Instagram profile. This allows for highly targeted remarketing campaigns aimed at users who have already shown interest in the brand. Ad reporting and optimization. Facebook Ads offers comprehensive reporting features that provide insights into ad performance metrics such as click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, cost per conversion, and more. Advertisers can use this data to optimize their campaigns in real time, adjusting targeting, ad creative, and bidding strategies for better results. Overall, Facebook Ads provides advertisers with a powerful platform to reach their target audience, drive engagement, and achieve their marketing objectives through highly targeted and customizable advertising campaigns.